Want to make sure you're not overpaying and leaving money on the table? When the offer is accepted, that's when the real deal making begins. This is where we fine tune the terms from price, repairs, closing costs, and even timelines to make sure you're not just buying a home, but you're getting a smart deal. Many buyers feel nervous about pushing back. What if I lose the home? Is something I hear all the time. But smart negotiation is not about being aggressive, it's about being strategic. Sellers expect negotiation. In fact, most are willing to work with buyers that approach it confidently and respectfully. And that's exactly how we do it. If the seller counters your offer, we don't just accept it blindly, we evaluate it. Sometimes a small tweak could save you thousands and even give you better long-term terms. Once the inspection comes in, that's our opportunity to renegotiate it if needed. Whether it's credits, repairs, or price adjustments, I'll walk you through to what's reasonable and how to approach it without derailing the deal. And don't worry, if negotiations feel overwhelming and you're unsure to what to say yes to, I'll guide you through every form, option, and number to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. My job is to protect your money, your timeline, and your peace of mind. Most negotiations are wrapped up really quickly, but the value they can bring can last for years. Once we secure the best terms, we'll be ready to move on to escrow and inspections, where you'll get even more clarity and confidence.